Hello everyone, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we are going to discuss some important GK questions about the topic Geography. This video is part of our GK video series for the MBA entrance exam for ZAT, ISNET and CMAT. You can check out the crash courses, mocks and previous papers of these exams on our website, that is cracku.in. The link of all these resources are mentioned in the description box below. You can check them out. Let's start with today's session. Match the following countries with their respective continents. So the countries are Mauritius, Belgium, Canada, Hong Kong, Brazil. And there are the continents. So the Mauritius, the continent is Africa. Okay, then Belgium continent is Europe. Then Canada, North America. Then Hong Kong, Asia. And then Brazil, South America. So the correct answer is B. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, lies towards the western margin of Dash Hills. The correct answer is A, that is Aravalli Hills. So the Indian desert lies towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hills, and it is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. And this region receives very low rainfall below 150 millimeter per year. Which of the following passes cuts through Pir Panjal range and links Manali and Leh by road? The correct answer is B, that is Rohtang Pass. So Rohtang Pass, it is a high mountain pass on the eastern end of the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, and it is around 51 km from Manali. It connects the Kullu Valley with the Lahul and Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. It links Manali and Leh by road. Which of the following Himalayan ranges extends from the northern side of Leh to the Tibetan border and comprises Digar-Leh Pass and Khardungla Pass? The correct answer is A, that is Ladakh range. The Ladakh range is regarded as a southern extension of the Karakoram range, which runs for 230 miles, that is 370 km from the confluence of the Indus and Shyok rivers in Balistan to the Tibetan border of Ladakh in the southeast. And the Ladakh range forms the northeastern bank of the Indus River and the western bank of the Shyok River. Which of the following is the largest delta in the world? The correct answer is C, that is Ganga's Brahmaputra Delta. This NV set highlights the Ganga Delta, the world's largest delta in the South Asia area of Bangladesh and India, and the delta plain about 350 km wide. This is 350 km wide. Along the Bay of Bengal is formed by the confluence of the rivers Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Meghna. Which of the following animals is used for transport in Tibet? The correct answer is D, yak. So yak is used for transport in Tibet. Yak, long-haired, short-legged, ox-like mammal that was apparently domesticated in Tibet, but has been introduced where there are people at elevation of 4,000 to 6,000 meters, mainly in China but also in Central Asia, Mongolia and Nepal. Hardwood trees like sal, teak, neem and shisham, useful for making furniture, transport and constructional material, are found in which type of forest? The correct answer is D, tropical deciduous forest. So tropical deciduous forest has sal, teak, neem and shisham trees. Match the desert with their respective nations. The first desert is Patagonia Desert. The correct answer is Argentina. So Patagonia Desert is in Argentina. The Karakum Desert is in Turkmenistan. Then Taklamakan Desert, it is in China. Then Registan Desert is in Afghanistan. and Chalbi Desert is in Kenya. So the correct answer is C. The Uri Dam is located on which river in Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is D, that is Jhelum River. So Uri Dam is a 480 megawatt hydroelectric power station on the Jhelum River and near URI in Baramulla district of the Jammu and Kashmir. And it is located very near to the line of control border between India and Pakistan. And this station is largely built under a hill with a 10-kilometer tunnel. And it is run of the river type without a large dam. So the Indus Water Treaty gives Pakistan the exclusive right to regulate the Jhelum River. Which range does Indus River originates from? The correct answer is C, that is northern slopes of Kailash range. So the Indus originates from the Bhokhar Chu glacier in northern slopes of Mount Kailash. It drains the largest number of glaciers and mountain slopes of the Karakoram Ladakh Himalaya range. Panganga is a tributary of which of the following rivers in India? The correct answer is B, that is Godavari. So the Wainganga and the Panganga rivers are the tributaries of Godavari River. And Godavari River is the largest river in peninsular India and it is known as the Dakshin Ganga. The process that moves, elevates or builds up portions of the earth's crust is called, the correct answer is D, ditropism. So ditropism, all process that moves, elevate or build up portions of the earth crust come under ditropism. And this includes orogenic process involving mountain building through surf folding and affecting long and narrow belts of the earth crust. Koala bear is mainly found in which continent? The correct answer is B, that is Australia. So koalas are endemic to Australia where they can only be found in the southeast and eastern part of the country along the coastal lines of Queensland, New South Wales and South Australia and Victoria. The moon is an example of a dash object. The correct answer is B, that is non-luminous object. Objects that do not emit light on their own are called non-luminous objects. So moon is a non-luminous object because it does not emit its own light and glow by reflecting the light of the sun. River Satluj enters India through which pass? The correct answer is B, Shipkila. Shipkila is a mountain pass and border post with a dozen buildings of significant size on the India-China border. The river Satluj, which is called Zangbo in Tibet, enters India near this pass. Change in seasons occur due to, the correct answer is B, that is Earth's revolution, and the third one is inclination of Earth axis. Slate is a type of dash rock. The correct answer is C, that is metamorphic. So slate is a metamorphic rock that is formed when shales and clays are put under great pressure and heated inside the earth for millions of years. Slate, usually grey or black, is used to make blackboards or roofing tiles. Which is the second most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is A, oxygen. So the most abundantly natural occurring gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen is 78% of air. Okay, and oxygen is 21%. So oxygen is the second most abundant gas in Earth and nitrogen is the first abundant gas. Which river is also called Dihang in India? The correct answer is D, that is Brahmaputra. So the Brahmaputra rises in Tibet where it is known as Sangpo and crosses over into India in Arunachal Pradesh under the name of Dihang. Volga river in which of the following continents? The correct answer is D, that is Europe. So Volga River, Russian Volga, ancient river of Europe, the continent's longest and the principal waterway of Western Russia and the historic cradle of the Russian states. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.